Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by accepting that removing the lock screen will likely erase user data, so back up what you can. Once done, power off the phone, then hold volume up plus power to enter recovery mode. This starts the safe factory process. Make sure to note your Xiaomi account email and Google account, because later steps ask for those to prevent FRP lock. Proceed now to perform the wipe, because that clears the password pattern or PIN stored in user data. You will now perform the actual erase. In recovery, navigate with volume keys to wipe data and confirm with power, then select Wipe All Data. This removes the lock credentials stored on the device. If recovery fails, make sure to connect to a PC and use My Flash in fast boot mode to reflash official ROM. That restores system files and clears lock states. Once the wipe or flash finishes, reboot. You then follow setup prompts and prepare to re-enter your My and Google accounts when requested. You finish by completing initial setup and signing into the original My and Google accounts. This is critical to pass activation, FRP, and restore full access. If you cannot recall credentials, use account recovery tools on the Xiaomi or Google websites before trying again, because repeated failed attempts can lock the device. If activation still blocks you, or the phone fails to boot after flashing, contact Xiaomi support or an authorized repair center to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.